Study space, remote workspace, meeting room, event place. All-in-one yan sa bagong bukas na Big Ideas Cowork and Study Space sa Jomafer Building, Barangay Dolores, City of San Fernando, Pampanga.
It's a co-work and study space where we offer productivity spaces for our target market.
Mayroong iba't ibang areas na pwedeng rentahan para sa iyong productive na pag-aaral o remote work.
So we have here our dedicated spaces where they can rent on a monthly basis or 3 months or even long term. Tapos meron tayong mga common spaces. Yung common spaces, they can rent it on a day basis. So pwedeng 1 hour, 3 hours, or even for the whole day. Also included here is our meeting room where they can have their meetings, no? And we actually have this place, the whole place actually available for events. So usually mga 50 to 70 packs if kasama yung meeting room.
Maliban sa affordable price para sa ating mga kabalet, may free coffee rin na pwedeng ma-avail sa ibang promos.
Actually, di ba yung ngayon uso yung work from home. So a lot of our clients, yung gusto ng break, no? Syempre minsan if lagi ka lang sa bahay, no? So yung routine mo, we provide very affordable spaces, no, for them. At the same time, syempre dito, since it's a common workspace, no, libre na yung kuryente mo, yung wifi mo. We also provide free drinks, no, with our partner coffee shop, yung But First Coffee sa baba. So makakatipid kasi talaga sila.
But wait, there's more! Ang Big Space ay nag-o-offer din ng virtual address para sa mga remote workers and employers.
We also offer here, no, yung tinatawag nila na virtual address. So we have a lot of companies now, no, kung ayaw mo mag-set up ng office mo and you need it for your permits, no, and your government mandatory requirements, no. So uso na yun ngayon dito, no, to save you on cost, no, and hassle of setting up your office.
Kasabay ng pagbubukas ng Big Ideas ay pinasinayaan din ang Big Hop Consultancy and Insurance Services na nag-o-offer ng life and non-life insurance.
Ayun, so sa Big Hop services, consulting services, we cater different kinds of insurance like life insurance and non-life insurance. So example, yung mga vehicles nyo, yung mga sasakyan and mga properties kung gusto niyo po silang pa-insured. And also yung mga open po kami sa mga gustong maging agent ng mga insurance. So we give business to them.
Maliban dyan ay bukas din ng Big Hop sa mga financial agents na gustong mag-apply at magkaroon ng income.
Yung mga interested na magkaroon ng extra income or sideline or kung gusto nila mag full-time, pwede po silang makipag-tie up sa amin, no? As insurance agent. So, yun nga. Tapos number 2, yung mga customer, they can have a, kung naghahanap silang very competitive price. So, pwede sila mag-inquire sa amin, sa Big Hop naman.
Kaya naman kung hanap nyo ay peaceful, comfortable at affordable na co-working space, punta na sa Big Ideas Co-working and Study Space. For more inquiries, you can contact 0917-134-1749. Angelica Cara, CLTV36 News.